Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you're having a spectacular day. There are no holes in the jeans. The shirt is tucked in. Why? Because we're here to check out a townhouse that was done to the nines. Over 4 years, fully got renovated by the owner. It's a 7,000 square foot house at 140 East 65th Street. It's so crazy, amazing. I would live in the basement. That's how well this place was done. Come, let's check it out. Let's take a look at the details. You got to see it to believe it. Come on. Welcome to 140 East 65th Street. Your entrance is a custom limestone, French limestone floor with contrasting cabochons, a custom stair right through the spine of the house, not off to one side. Off the limestone gallery entrance, the first room you're going to hit is what I call the guitar room. It's the sitting room, fully paneled in quartered and rifted oak. The guitar collection, I don't think comes with the house. It's a Chesney bathstone mantle, working fireplace. The limestone from the gallery comes right into this room. It is quiet, it is a respite, it is a fantastic place. Beyond this incredibly cool sitting room is the coat closet, which is more of a dressing room for coats than anything else. A fully done powder room, which leads right into the hallway leading into the kitchen. The kitchen, let's go check it out. You gotta see it to believe it. Come on. So now we're in the kitchen. The kitchen, the breakfast room, and the Japanese gardens were designed by the same designer who designed the Japanese gardens at the Brooklyn Botanical Garden. It's gorgeous back there, and it's about to start blooming. Because the stair is behind the kitchen. When you first walk in, it's the grand entrance. You get a kitchen that's the full width of the townhouse. And here's what's great about that. An island, it's gonna seat 4. Double dishwashers, a 48-inch Viking, refrigerator drawers, double Sub-Zeros, a baking station with a lowered countertop marble so you can roll dough. They were ahead of their time when they did this. There's a coffee station that was done completely in stainless steel. So in the breakfast room, right off the kitchen, I've got a home office station, flat panel TV, china cabinet. There's a table here for 6. You could easily put a table here for 10. And it's 3:30 in the afternoon and the sun is pouring in here from the Japanese garden right out the back. You want to design a kitchen? This is how you do it. All right, before we head upstairs to show you the things that are gonna blow you away from a detail and finish standpoint, let's take a look at the basement, because that's the thing that blew me away. This is George Vanderploeg's listing from Douglas Elliman, and it's his exclusive. And when he showed me this house, the two things that resonated most is the lack of hidden conditions and the attention to detail. The basement is where you really tell the soul of the house. It's a 2,000 bottle wine room, wine cellar in here, completely temperature controlled. That's cool. But the basement, take a look at the mechanical room. Because hidden conditions in a townhouse where people say it's ready to move in, they don't look like this. This looks like I could set up a cot in here and live here. It's absolutely immaculate. This is what I look for when I'm evaluating the quality of a house, and when I look to see the attention to detail and the workmanship that was done in the house. That's this house. That's why I said the joke, all right, I want to live in the basement. But it's that kind of house, and it starts with the mechanicals, and it starts with the electrical, and it starts with the plumbing and all of that. And when you're buying a house, you want a house that's easy to service. That's this house. Now, let's go upstairs and check out all the eye candy, because it's really unbelievable. Let's go. So this is what done to the nines looks like. It's a 12-foot ceiling on the parlor floor of the living room off a solarium that is done in full limestone. Plaster crown moldings in the ceilings of the living room, white statuary, mantle from Chesney's, and check this out. That's cool. Television, so it doesn't become just a room and a museum. So now we're entering the dining room. It seats 24. Gorgeous plaster crowns, plaster medallion on the ceiling, beautiful wainscot paneling on all of the millwork on the mantle. So if that wasn't enough beyond this exquisite installation of Gracie wallpaper, check this out. Real butler's pantry. For serving, working kitchen, dumbwaiter, down to the kitchen. This is what it's supposed to look like. Let's go upstairs, start checking out the bedrooms. The bedrooms are off the hook. So the third floor of this house is all about the master. They set this house up right, they designed it right. The kids upstairs are not sneaking out of this house without getting past you first. This is the 4th fireplace working in this house. The 5th is in the master bathroom. By the way, you've got his and hers master bathrooms on this floor, his and hers dressing closets on this floor, and a sitting room that faces out to the back garden, couches, built-ins, another home office. They set this layout up to really be set up for a family. That's what this is all about, and the level of detail is just fantastic. We're gonna go upstairs, we're gonna take a look at the children's floor and show you something that we can do here to change the layout just a little bit. Let's go. The 4th floor of the house is all about the kids. At the front of the house is a full bedroom, bathroom ensuite. At the back are 2 bedrooms sharing 1 bathroom. We're showing in a floor plan the conversion of these 2 bedrooms into another full bedroom and bathroom ensuite. Depending on the children count, you can end up with 3 full master suites in this house. That's how it lays out, and that's where the flexibility exists. But the amount of work that it would take to do by converting 2 bedrooms into 1 suite is so minimal that it doesn't start to domino throughout the whole house. And that's probably one of the reasons why we're here. It would be if somebody wanted to convert these 2 bedrooms into a full suite, it's easily done. It doesn't disrupt the rest of the house, and it's an incredibly simple amount of work to do depending on what works for the family who's looking to buy this house. Upstairs is a yoga studio that currently is convertible into a bedroom without any work at all. And at the far front of the house is a greenhouse that is spectacular. So now we're on the 5th floor of the house, which is pretty spectacular because at the front of the house is a bathroom beautifully done with Walker Zanger tiles, floor to ceiling, and a full steam. And now we're creating what is the 4th master suite, or the 7th bedroom in this house. And what's it got? It's got a roof deck, and the roof deck is pretty unbelievable. Blue skies, trees, everything you want. That's why we wanted to show you this house today, something that's done impeccably to the nines, something that you're moving into tomorrow, not in a month, not in a year. This house is ready to go, and it's ready for family to move in tomorrow. We hope you enjoyed the tour. Hope to see you next week with the next pre-sale proposal. Have a great week. Enjoy the sun. Bye-bye.